Welcome to the Ultimate Gadget Guide. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or just love discovering innovative tools, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into 15 of the coolest gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. These aren't just tools, they're game changers that will make your projects easier, faster, and even more enjoyable. From groundbreaking home improvement devices to outdoor must-haves, this list is packed with brilliance. So grab a seat, take notes, and prepare to be amazed by these incredible finds. Make sure you stick around till the end. You won't want to miss any of these gadgets. The Boreal 21 folding saw is a compact yet powerful tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and DIYers. Its unique folding design makes it highly portable, perfect for camping, hiking, or even backyard projects. The saw's 21-inch blade is crafted from high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and sharpness for smooth, efficient cuts. Its lightweight aluminum frame offers excellent balance, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use. It's a great alternative to carrying bulky traditional saws, combining convenience and performance for cutting through branches, logs, or lumber effortlessly. The heated jacket kit is a cold weather essential. With integrated carbon fiber heating elements, this jacket provides consistent warmth across key areas like your chest, back, and arms. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers adjustable heat settings to suit any condition. The jacket is water and wind resistant, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as skiing, hiking, or working in chilly weather. It also features multiple pockets for added convenience. Lightweight and stylish, it's a versatile addition to your winter wardrobe. The brush grubber is a heavy-duty tool designed to tackle overgrown yards and fields. Its spring-operated jaws grip small trees, shrubs, and roots firmly, allowing you to pull them out with ease using a vehicle like a tractor or ATV. Built from hardened steel, it's durable enough to handle tough landscaping tasks. Its non-slip grip ensures that the plant remains securely in place without damaging the trunk. This gadget is perfect for farmers, landscapers, and homeowners looking to clear unwanted vegetation quickly and effectively. The E-Tape 16 digital tape measure takes the guesswork out of measurements. Equipped with a backlit digital display, it shows exact measurements instantly, making it ideal for precision tasks like furniture building, renovations, or crafting. The tool offers memory storage, letting you save multiple measurements for easy reference. It also includes unit conversion, making it suitable for metric and imperial systems. Compact, durable, and accurate, the E-Tape 16 simplifies even the most complex measuring tasks. The tying tool is an innovative gadget that streamlines tying tasks in gardens, farms, or construction sites. This lightweight device lets you secure plants to stakes, vines to trellises, or wires to posts with ease. Its one-handed operation and automatic cutting mechanism save time while ensuring uniform ties. Crafted from high-quality materials, the tying tool is built to last and withstand heavy use, making it a valuable asset for gardeners, landscapers, or anyone needing fast and reliable tying solutions. The Nocry cut-resistant gloves offer unmatched safety and comfort. Made with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene fibers, they provide level 5 cut resistance, the highest available. These gloves are ideal for handling sharp tools, knives, or glass, making them indispensable for chefs, woodworkers, and craftsmen. Despite their toughness, they're lightweight and breathable, ensuring all-day comfort. Their excellent grip allows for precise work without compromising safety, turning risky tasks into worry-free ones. Built for durability and comfort, the professional knee pads protect your knees during demanding tasks. Their gel core and foam padding cushion impacts, while the adjustable straps ensure a secure fit. Perfect for construction workers, gardeners, or DIYers, these knee pads are designed for heavy use on hard surfaces like concrete or tile. The outer shell is tough and slip-resistant, providing stability and safety even in challenging conditions. The drain snake is a lifesaver for clogged pipes. Its flexible yet durable design allows it to navigate through tight curves and bends in plumbing, reaching blockages deep inside. The ridge surface grabs hair, grease, and debris, pulling them out quickly and effectively. This tool is reusable, eco-friendly, and eliminates the need for chemical cleaners or expensive plumber visits. It's a must-have for maintaining smooth water flow in kitchens, bathrooms, or outdoor drains. The Camo Drive is a professional-grade tool for deck builders. Designed to drive screws into decking boards with perfect precision, it eliminates common issues like overdriving or splitting wood. Its adjustable settings let you control depth, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Compatible with a range of screw sizes, this tool speeds up decking projects while delivering consistent professional results. The Debarker PRO is a rugged tool built for woodworking and outdoor projects. It removes bark from logs with ease, preparing them for construction, crafting, or firewood. Its sharp, replaceable blades cut smoothly through bark without damaging the wood underneath. The ergonomic handle reduces hand strain, making it comfortable for extended use. Whether you're building a log cabin or prepping firewood, this tool ensures efficiency and precision. The Fix-It-Sticks toolset is a compact solution for quick repairs. Its T-handle design provides excellent torque, while the interchangeable bits make it versatile for various tasks like tightening bolts, adjusting gear, or assembling furniture. It's lightweight and portable, fitting easily into your pocket or toolkit. Ideal for cyclists, mechanics, or hobbyists, this tool is built to handle everyday repair jobs with ease. The PinDoctor simplifies the process of removing and reinstalling door hinge pins. Its precision mechanism ensures a smooth operation, preventing scratches or dents. Made from sturdy materials, it's built to last and withstand heavy use. Perfect for home renovations or repairs, this tool saves time and effort while delivering professional results. The ladder leveling tool provides stability and safety when working on uneven surfaces. Its adjustable design fits securely to most ladder legs, creating a level base even on sloped terrain. The non-slip feet ensure a firm grip, preventing accidents during use. Whether you're painting, cleaning gutters, or repairing roofs, this tool is an essential safety upgrade for any ladder. The Jokari Quadro stripper is the ultimate wire stripping tool. Its multifunctional design can handle various wire sizes, offering clean and precise cuts every time. The tool adjusts automatically to fit the wire, reducing the risk of damaging the core. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for electricians, engineers, or DIY enthusiasts who need reliable and efficient wire preparation. And there you have it, 15 of the coolest gadgets on Amazon that are guaranteed to make your life easier, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Whether you're tackling challenging home improvement projects, exploring the great outdoors, or simply searching for clever, innovative tools to upgrade your daily life, these gadgets truly stand out as must-haves. From tech-savvy devices to robust, durable tools, there's something here for everyone. If this video sparked your interest or inspired your next purchase, don't keep the excitement to yourself. Give this video a big thumbs up to show your support and help us reach even more gadget enthusiasts like you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of tech lovers and DIY experts. By subscribing, you ensure you'll never miss out on the latest and greatest in gadget innovation. Want to stay one step ahead? Don't forget to tap the notification bell. It's the best way to get instant alerts when we upload new content packed with amazing reviews, recommendations, and tips. Thanks for spending your time with us and exploring these amazing gadgets. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting finds in the future. Until then, keep exploring, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video.